Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. What's up everyone? How are y'all doing? My name is Futuristic and today we are going to be reviewing the MG3 light machine gun. Now here's how my weapon review videos are going to work. We're basically going to test out the damage, reloading speed, ammunition, and the scoping. And what's going to make this video better is that we are going to reveal the weapon with the brass Bovine skin as well. But today's video is going to be different because we are going to be reviewing the weapon in Cheer Park, because it would take forever to find the gun in the airdrop chest and I don't got that a lot of times, so that's why Cheer Park is the best option to reveal my weapons for today. And before we get started, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on. And also, I am making another weapon review video which will be coming up very soon. And hopefully some days I can make a Roblox video, which I've been dying to make. But without being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, we're in Cheer Park. It's beautiful outside. I mean, really dark, but really beautiful. Anyhow, we're gonna get our gun. Let's see, where is it? Where's our gun? There it is. Yeah! Look at that. Look at that beauty. This gun looks amazing. I like the skin, by the way. It's like, you know, something. Anyhow, we're gonna equip some protection and grab some meds. Where are the meds? Alright, there it is. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 very boring minutes later.
Let's go do some duels, normal weapons, no weapon restrictions. Best out for invitation has been set successfully. Oh, this person accepted it. Alright. This is our chance to do a weapon review, so we're gonna try 2x scope with 660 function. Come on. Let me reload real quick. Oh, he's running. Does he even have a gun? Oh. Oh no. He's just gonna run and beat me up. I think that's what he's just trying to do. Yeah, that's what he's trying to do. He's just trying to beat me up at this point. What are you doing?
That was unbelievable!
I'm sorry, pal. I had to. Yeah, at this point, this is just unfair for him. I'm gonna try this without a scope. 660 without a scope. How would this do? Oh, hello. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna chase this guy.
What a pro!
Whoa. Woo. Alright. 990 function without a scope. Let's see how that does. Where are you? Oh, hello. How did you... Oh, you can't hide in there forever now, can you? Hey, get back here. Oh. You shouldn't be standing still while I finally got my gun reloaded. Alright, 2x scope with 990, but this time I'm standing right here. No, I'm standing right here. Yes. There you go.
What a brilliant match!
I'm sorry, my friend.
Congratulate the winner!
But I'm doing a weapon reveal, so I had to. Alright, you need a gun this time. Go get a gun. Because it was a little bit not fun without somebody trying to shoot me. No! Don't run away from me. No! Darn. Alright, next people.
Let's wish the players good luck.
Alright, so I have the best idea I can try to do. 660. I mean, scoping in, but without a scope. Like this. Hey. Oh, he's coming after me. I'm gonna run away from him a little bit. I'm sorry, friend. Alright. 990 with scoping, but without scope.
That was unbelievable.
Ouch. Okay, I kind of feel bad for this guy. Well, what kind of function can I try to do? You know what? Screw it. Let's do this. Come on, man. Let's see what you got. Go. Oh. That's 1. 2. Oh, he's beating me up. 3, 4, 5.
Match point.
GG's. Alright, one more round should be another fist. Oh, ow, I can't move. Oh god, I can't move. I cannot move. 1. That's... Oh, he's beating me up. I can't move. Hold on, I need to retreat. I need to retreat now. Oh, he's chasing me. He's actually chasing me. Oh god, he's chasing me. Look at this man. He's desperate. He's desperate to kill me. Oh god. You know what? Fair idea.
What a brilliant match.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm so sorry. You need a gun. You gotta go equip yourself with a gun, man. Yes. Let me create this. Alright, please, somebody with a gun, battle me. Yes! 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 Oh, it's you again.
The match is about
This is gonna be
to
exciting.
begin. Let's wish the players
All right.
good luck.
Now we can finally try this. Oh yeah, I forgot, he has a gun. Yep. Alright. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I need most. Come on. Take a peek right now. I see you. Woo! Not even a single shot hit me. What? Oh! Okay, you got me. Do I have anything? None. This is why I always come prepared. Dang it. 16 seconds left. This is gonna be a draw.
Wow! Let's give him a round of applause.
Few seconds to spare. 660 with a scope. Let's try 990. Wait, are you rushing into me right now? Please don't. Where are you, actually? Oh, there you are. Oh, God. You're actually rushing to me, are you? He's trying to. I can kind of see you. Oh, I see you, actually. Hey, get back here. I just want a piece of you. No. Oh, I hurt you. No, don't do this. Oh! Where are you? Hey.
Wow! Let's
Woo!
give him a round of applause.
Wow, the same timing as well. Jesus. Okay, 990. Can I please kill you with a 2x scope with 990, please? Just this one round. Oh, crap. I forgot to equip a scope. Like I said, I have a famous idea. But I think you saw my head on that one. What's up?
Match point!
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Oh, now you're coming to me. This is not good.
What a brilliant match! Let's congratulate the winner!
Alright, so this time we're doing best out too, so I have no problem with doing this. Wait, this guy does not have a weapon. Oh, I'm running. How do I roll? Why are you trying to kill me with a pan? Do you have a gun at least? Yes, you do. Or, no, actually, no, you don't.
It's match
Alright, I feel so bad
point!
for you. Do you have a gun? You only have a pan. Okay, 990 with a scope. Let's see how that does. Bro, I'm right here. I mean, at least you have a pan to protect you. Wait, hold on. I want to see how much damage can a pan do. Where'd you go? Did you just straight up ran away? Oh, there you are.
What a brilliant match!
Got you. I'm
Let's
so sorry, man.
congratulate the winner!
It didn't have to be this way, but I'm sorry. Okay, my opinion on the... What's it called again? The MG3 light machine gun. I mean, I think with scope, it is, like, decently great. And with 660 and 990, they both shoot very differently. Because I think... Stop punching me. Okay, I think the 990 was, like, you know, straight up shooting in just one area. It's basically like shooting at a straight line. But the 660... Why are you shooting at me now? I did nothing wrong to you. Okay, but anyways, that's what I was saying. The 660, I mean, it shoots like... I guess it's like a meaty gun or something. So... But I do like this gun though. I mean, it comes from the airdrop. And yeah, it kind of does really decently good. But I think my issue is about the reloading. The reloading takes a while. It really takes a while to reload. So I think that's what I would give out a 1 out of 10 for that one. But the rest of the gun, I think I rate it, I'd say 8 out of 10. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm taking this outro over because when I muted my voice chat from PUBG, it seemed to have shut off my audio from my screen, which is very new to hear. But anyways, I just want to say that thank you all so much for watching this video. If you do enjoy, then be ready for another weapon review video, which will be coming up very soon. And as for my Roblox video, I'm not sure when I'll be able to start making my Roblox video due to the hacking issues my friends are facing. But I am praying that one day, for once, I can finally upload something different. So let's just hope that my friends can get their account back. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one.